Bonjour year 6, how are you? J'espère que vous allez bien. So last week we had a quiz. Thank you for completing it. This week we're doing just revision. I have prepared this revision booklet for you. You don't need to send anything back. Just I want you to revise pretty well because next week we'll have another quiz and then it's going to be the Eid holiday. So I think it's going to be our last French class. So please, I want you to memorize really well this. Try to be a bit quick. So aller, the verb aller, to go. So you need to know this by heart. Je vais, tu vas, il, elle va, nous allons, vous allez, ils, elles vont. D'accord? The difference between tu and vous is tu is you for only one person and vous is you if I'm talking to more than one person. D'accord? So those are les pronoms personnels. Les pronoms personnels can be replaced by other words like moi, which is me. Okay, je. Toi is which is tu, like you. We usually use it like as if like someone is pointing to someone, like toi. Okay, Marie. It can be a proper noun. Marie can be for example, replaced by elle. She. So Mohammed, another proper noun, can be replaced by il. La fille, the girl, can be replaced by elle. Le chat, again, even a cat can be replaced by il. There is no it in French. Les chats, now the cats in plural, can be replaced by il with an S. Sophie et moi. So here, Sophie, always think, I'm talking about. If I'm talking about Sophie et moi, so Sophie and I, if I am included, if et moi, I'm included to a bunch of people, or only one person, so it becomes nous, like we. Sophie and I, so we. Sophie et toi, Sophie and you, so both of you. I'm talking about Sophie and you, so you are included, becomes vous, but not one person. Vous for you or for more than one. So here we have few examples like Marie va au magasin. So Marie va au magasin. Sophie et moi allons à l'école. Les chats vont au supermarché. Sophie et toi allez au Qatar. So as I have replaced them here, they take the same verb conjugated to the right personal pronoun. Then you have le verbe aller, then with places like countries or cities. Now, sometimes we put en, o with an X, or a after aller. So, par exemple, how do we know? So, if it's a country, and it is a country, a feminine country, how do we know if it's a feminine country? Most of them, they end with an E, as we can see. So, that's a feminine country. As well, they start with a vowel, or an H, like Italie, Australie, Irlande, Espagne, Allemagne, Écosse, Angleterre. Those are vowels, so they are feminine, and we say en before. The other ones are masculine, like Portugal, Pays de Galles, Canada, Qatar. But the countries that are like plural, like États-Unis, Emirats Arab Unis, the UAE, so they are plural, is United States. Okay, so we say O, but with an X. And now if it's a city like Paris, Doha, Londres, New York, if it's a city, we say A before. Okay, you need to be a little bit good sometimes in geography. So, je vais en France, tu vas au Portugal, nous allons aux États-Unis, ils vont à Doha. Now, le futur proche. Le futur proche is the near future. The near future, we use it very often in French. Why we use it often? Because first, it's very easy to use. Okay, not another future that we haven't seen it yet. Okay, this future is how is it formed? It's formed with the verb aller in the present tense, as we have seen it up here. Okay, and it is followed by the infinitive form of the main verb. So it's followed by another verb, but in the infinitive form. For example, je vais manger un sandwich. Je vais, which is I go in the present tense. Okay, this is the verb aller in the present tense, and then followed by another verb which is manger in the infinitive form. Manger means to eat, so I can translate this by I am going to eat a sandwich. So the near future is used when something is near going to happen, something soon is going to happen, or I am certain or almost sure that it is going to happen. Here you have a list of verbs with the infinitive form, like manger, to eat, boire, to drink, ranger, to tidy, arrêter, visiter, donner, voyager, travailler, faire, jouer, courir, aider, aller, écouter, danser, chanter, nager, rencontrer, changer, regarder, écrire, lire, prendre, être, avoir. So here you have all the meanings in English for you. Okay? Regarder, it can be to look as it can be to watch. Okay, depends on the sentence. So basically, you just need to use the verb aller in the present tense and then add those verbs. Those verbs are the infinitive form. The infinitive form in English can be translated by to before the verb, like to help, to go, to listen, to dance. Okay, so this is the infinitive form. So it's like je vais nager dans la piscine. I am going to swim. You see? To swim. I'm going to swim in the pool. Il va rencontrer des amis. He is going to rencontrer, to meet. So he is going to meet friends. Elle va aller. Elle va aller. So she is going. And aller, which is to go. So she's going to go. She's going to go au marché. She's going to go to the market. Nous allons regarder. We are going to watch la télévision. Regarder here means watch. So nous allons regarder la télévision. We're going to watch TV. Those are les indicateurs de temps, the words that showed you, they indicate you the time. So like aujourd'hui, today, demain, tomorrow, après, after, puis, then l'année prochaine, next year, le mois prochain, next month, la semaine prochaine, next week, soir. So here it's evening, but as well sometimes it can be night if you want to translate it by something else. Matin, morning. So par exemple, if I say demain matin, tomorrow morning. Demain matin, tomorrow morning. Demain matin, je vais faire du sport. I am going to, and faire means to do. Where is faire in here? Faire, to do. So, I am going to do some sport. Après-demain, after tomorrow, tu vas courir. You are going to, and courir means courir means run. You see? So, demain, tu vas courir. This is it. This is basically the near future that I want you to understand. Please, if you have any question, let me know. Text me on Class Dojo, better than VLE because I don't get any notification on VLE. Better on Class Dojo. Thank you so much. Good luck et au revoir.